Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for July 24th, 2024. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, so we do have two fives here looking in. That does place 5 here. This 7 says 7 goes there, and then this is whatever's left. A 4, okay. This box just finishes. I don't think it helps the band at all. I guess the 7s help. What's a 7 up here? What else is going on here? This 1 and 3 don't really help. This row is down to 4 digits. Let's mark that out. So we need the 1, 6, 8, 9. 1, 6, 8, 9. This can't be 9. In fact, this can't be 9. This can't be 1. This can't be 9. I think this can be any of them. So I'll just write out 1, 6, 8, 9 here. We clear out the 9, the 1, and the 9. Okay, 9's still in 2 places. All right, nothing to do with that yet, but I think it'll be useful eventually to have those marked, hopefully. Since this box is filled, I want to skip right to this stack and look at this stack as well. 8s are done. We do have the 2 1s looking down. This one helps, puts a 1 here. And we have the 2 7s looking down, puts 7s over here. I don't think there's anything else. Does 1, 7, 8 help here? Well, we already have a 7, so we would need 1 and 8. There's 4 places for them, and yeah, that doesn't help. While I'm here, 5, 2, 7. In fact, I might as well just do this this band. But 5 and 7 here, unfortunately, not good. Not good enough. I have a lot. Okay. Okay, well, let's just look at, we have 2 2s here. This 2 helps, puts a 2 in one of these 2. The 5 does not seem to do anything, unfortunately. The 7, we do have 2 7s here, and the 7 looks down. Placing that 7. This is down to 3 digits now. We have the 1, 2, 3. We need 4, 6, 9. That's not 4. That's not 6. That's not, sorry. That's not 4. That's not 9. That's not 6. I said the wrong thing, but I typed the right thing somehow. All right. That doesn't resolve. What else do I have? So I did the 2, 5, and 7. We also have 3 and 9. 9's in one of these 2. 3 does not appear to do much. Nope. We do have 2 3s looking up here. Just notice that. That places this 3. So now there's a 3 in one of these 2. For what it's worth. 8 looking in doesn't seem to do much. Okay. I think I'm going to move on to the next band, unfortunately. All right, next band, just because we're not getting a whole lot out of these. We do have 2 8s looking over here. That puts an 8 down here. We have 1 and 3. So these 2 3s look over here. This 3 looks down, puts a 3 here. I don't think that does much. Nothing else. 1, 3, 8. Ah, yeah, so we have a hidden 1, 8 in this column. So we can ignore the 3, but 1 and 8 can't go here, and 1 and 8 can't go in these cells. So 1 and 8 are restricted to these 2 cells. That's a hidden pair in the column. Always probably the best things to find. That does mean that this is a triple. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 4, 6. Can't be 7, 8, or 9. So that's a 2, 4, 6 triple. These 3 are actually going to be the 5, 7, and 9 that look down in there. 5, 7, 9. It's not the 3 because the 3 is already placed. And so 7 ends up in one of these 2. That doesn't line up. 7 can be here, unfortunately. I was hoping I could place a 7. Can't quite. 7 can be here or here in the row. What else do we have going on here? We got the 2, 4, 6. So that means 2, 4, 6 were removed from these. This already couldn't be 2 or 4, so it just can't be 6. So this not being 6 does not seem to affect the box much or the row. This can't be 4 or 6 now. Already couldn't be a 2. Does that help me? I see this 4, 6 here. Honestly, I don't really see anything else with 4 and 6. Okay, so I don't know what actually was useful about this 1, 8 at the moment. It might come in handy later. Anything else with this band? I think I kind of did everything I needed on our first pass, at least. Let's look at this stack here. We do have 2 5s looking down. 5's in one of these 2. Is there anything else to do in this stack? Oh, is that true? So if we kind of treat these 8s as kind of like a given, we can kind of see our standard geometry where these givens are avoiding this column. I was actually looking at the 9 and 3, and I realized the 8 joined it because these can't be 9, 3, and we don't have 9, 3 yet in the column. But if you look at this row here, we can make the 8. That's also true of the 8 for all of these, and we can do 3, 8, 9 here, seeing this cell. So there are only 3 places in this column for 3, 8, 9. Look at that. These can't be 3, 8, 9. This can't be 3, 8, 9 because of the row. This is because of the box. So there's only 3 places for 3, 8, 9 here. And this actually can't be 3 or 8. So we can really say it's a hidden 3, 8 pair. 3 and 8 can't go here, 3 and 8 can't go here, 3 and 8 can't go here. So this is a hidden 3, 8 pair. And now there's only one place for 9 in the column, which is right here. So that's our 9, that's 6, that's 9. We get our 4 here. That triple resolved. Okay, I'm going to look at what the rest of this column is, and then we'll deal with the consequences of this 3, 8 more closely, and the digits we just got. Because I just want to make sure I fill this. Bake in that 3, 8 pair. So we need the 1, the 2, we have 3, we need 4, and hopefully we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, we do. That's not a 1. So you could have also seen this 1, 2, 4 triple. I don't think I would have. I may have marked these because we have the 5s and the 8s cornered. I don't know that I would have marked this one up. It is at the intersection of like this, but that's kind of hard to see. It's not in like a restricted row or a restricted column. So yeah, that's probably a really tough spot. I'm surprised I saw that so early. So that's quite lucky, I think. But yeah, so let's see what the consequences here. We got the 9, so the 9s look up. This 9 was helpful, and this whole box is very helpful. So we got the 9s. We got the 7 here. We already knew the 7s were there. I know I got the 4, not the 7. Did I? I don't remember. Let's look at the 4 as well. So this 4 looks in, this 4 looks in. That puts a 4 on one of these 2 cells. And we got the 6, I'm pretty sure. These 2 6s look down. The 6 helps. It places a 6 here. And then that places 6 in... Sorry, that places 6 in this box. What else can I do with this? These 3, 8... These can't be 1, 2, 4 anymore. This can't be 1 or 4. The 4 is down here. No, it's not. Sorry, the 4 is not down here. I got confused. Well, it might be, but there's no reason to think it is. 1, 5, 6, 8. So the 1 ends up in one of these 2. So these are 5, 6, 8. Any of them. This whole column is 1, 5, 6, 9. This can't be 9. So 1, 5, 6. This can't be 1, 5, or 6. So this is a naked 9. That's now a 5. That places the 9 here as well. This can't be 9. These can't be 5. 7, 9 pair. This can't be a 5. This can't be a 5. So that places the 5. 5 ends up here. We have these 2 5s looking in. This 5 looks down. That places the 5 here. Wow, okay. This is... I haven't really finished my scanning, but I just got so much that's been cascading. This is 1, 6. And that makes a 1, 6, 8. So this is a pair. This is 2, 4. Okay. We knew that for the column as well. 7, 9. Yeah, we have this 5, 6, 8. 5's in one of these 2. 2, 4, and 7, 9. Interesting how that column resolves. The 1, 6, the 1, 2, 4. What else is happening here? This only being 3, 8 has to be helpful in some way, right? It's not 2 or 4 anymore. This can't be 2. Okay. Is there anything... I probably need to scan this stack. In fact, I'm just going to pencil this column first. We need a 2, 3... Sorry, 2, 3, and what? 2, 3, and 9. 2, 3, 9. So this is 2, 3. This can't be 3 or 9. So this is 2. That makes that 3 and that 9. Places the 3 here, places 1 and 7. That's 7 and 9. That's 4 and 2. That's 4 and 2. That's 16816. All right, that's 8, 1. That's a 3. That's an 8. That's a 3. These cannot be 8. The 2 is alone there. We can place that. These 2 digits, 1, 2, 3. We need a 4. That goes here, and we need a 5. Okay, that's 6 and 5. This cell here is a 4. This cell here is a 7. That places that 7. We're basically done. We need 1 and 8 right down here. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 6 and 8. We know the order. That's 8, 6, giving 1, 8. That 6 told us. Over here we need a 1, which goes here, and we need a 4. And then up here we have 1. We need a 2. That gives us 4 and 2. And then this is a 3. Nope, not a 3. This is a 4. And we're done. All right. Doing this quite late, only 100 solves. I think probably this 1, 2, 4 was, or I guess I was saying you could find this as a 1, 2, 4 triple, but really the hidden 3, 8 pair, and then that causes the hidden 9, or the hidden 3, 8, 9 if you prefer. That's a really tough spot because you don't really think about. It's kind of very advanced because you have to think about using the 8s as well as the 3, 9 in your hidden triple looking, in your geometry looking, and then also notice that this cell couldn't be the 3, 8, or 9. And that cannot be done from the start. You need to have identified. I mean, I guess you maybe could have because these 8s are given, but no, this 3 is not given. Yeah, you at least have to find this 3, which you can find pretty early, but it's not something you can scan for right at the start of the puzzle. Really interesting. Let me know if there was another way through because I did find that pretty early. I hadn't finished all my scanning, but it felt like as soon as I got that, it felt like the puzzle just kind of collapsed. Like I didn't have to really find much else. So that was interesting. So yeah, let me know how you did, and if you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.